Welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad that you're with us because today we're going to be learning about California. California is a pretty interesting place. In this video, you'll learn lots about it. Let me share my screen. All right. California. Let's start with the basic facts of California. California's nickname is the Golden State. There are 4 reasons why it could be called that. The first one is because of the gold rush in 1848. The second reason is because of the field of golden poppies. The third one is because of the Golden Gate Bridge. And finally, the fourth one is because of the golden clear sunset over the Pacific. California's abbreviation is CA. It became the 31st state in 1850. Its state capital is Sacramento, which is located right here. Its biggest city is Los Angeles, which is in the center of film and television industries. Its state animal is the California grizzly bear. Sorry to say, but it is extinct. The only place you can find it is the San Francisco Zoo. It is a subspecies of brown bear. The state bird is the California Valley quail. It is a ground-dwelling bird, which means it primarily stays on the ground. The state flower is the California poppy, or known as the golden flower. California's location. We live in the universe. The universe is everything you can see, touch, and measure. It includes living things like planets, stars, galaxies, dust, clouds, moons, and planets. There are 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. We live in the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a group of stars and space stuff. Our solar system has 9 planets and a sun. There are 500 solar systems right now found in the Milky Way galaxy. Now, onto our solar system, which has 9 planets and 1 sun. Let's talk about the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Sing them with me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto is a dwarf planet in the solar system. Let's move on. Earth. We live in Earth. Earth has 7 continents. Continents are a large mass of land separated from other continents by water. There are 7 continents. Here's the continents largest to smallest. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Sing them with me. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Let's circle them. The first one is Asia, which is right here. The second one is Africa, which is right here. In the middle of Earth. If you're looking from one side, the next one is North America, which is right in the top left corner. South America, which is in the bottom left corner. and Antarctica, which is at the bottom. Europe, which is in the top, and Australia, which is in the bottom right corner. Oceans. Here are the oceans biggest to smallest. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. Let's sing them all. The Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Southern, Arctic, and these are the oceans which separate the continents. Now we know the oceans. Okay, let's talk about the oceans or water. So 97% of water is salt water. 2.06% of water is ice sheets or frozen. 0.9% of water is found underground, and the rest are found in water bodies or lakes. Now, let's talk about the northern, southern, and eastern and western hemisphere. Let's make a line. This line is the equator. An equator is an imaginary line drawn around the middle of the Earth. If we cut along the equator, it would leave us with two parts, the north part and the south part, which are called the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. A hemisphere is a half sphere. Well, you might be asking, which continents are entirely in the northern hemisphere? Europe and North America are entirely in the northern hemisphere. Now let's talk about the western and eastern hemisphere. If we cut north to south, let's draw a line first. This we'll call the prime meridian. If we cut it, it will leave us with two parts, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. So it leaves us with two parts, western and eastern. Let's label it. North, east, south, and west. You can remember north, east, south, west by remembering this two phrases. Never eat soggy waffles. Or you could say never eat slimy worms. Never do eat that. Let me draw something. Never eat soggy waffles. Okay, let's move on. Oh, and by the way, some of you guys are asking what continents are in the Western Hemisphere, or entirely in the Western Hemisphere. That is North America and South America. Sorry I didn't answer your question quickly. Okay, let's move on. California is in the continent of North America. So let's talk about the countries in North America. Guess how many countries there are in North America. 23 countries. Let's say them all. Antigua and Barbuda, Bahamas, Barbados and Belize, Canada, Costa Rica, Cuba, Dominica, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Grenada and Guatemala, Haiti and Honduras, Jamaica, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, St. Kitts, Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, and the United States of America. The first largest country is Canada, and the second largest country is the United States. They both make up 79% of North America. So, Canada and United States make up most of North America. The smallest is St. Kitts and Nevis. Right here, St. Kitts and Nevis. That's the smallest. Now, that's the smallest country. Let's move on. Since California is located in the United States of America, let's talk about the United States of America. The United States of America has 50 states. Here is California. Now, let's do one more compass. North, east, south, and west. Now, to the west is the Pacific Ocean. To the north is Oregon. To the east is Nevada and Arizona. And to the south is Mexico. Let's learn more about the United States of America. This is a little bit of review about the United States of America. California is one of the 50 states of the United States of America. The United States of America is a country in North America, in the northern and western hemisphere. California is bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west, Oregon to the north, Nevada and Arizona to the east, and Mexico to the south. California is a Pacific Coast state, just like Oregon and Washington. Thank you, everybody, for letting me present this to you. We learned so much with this California presentation. I am so excited that you have learned a lot. People who like my PPT, thank you. And I'm really excited to see you next time. I hope you learned a lot about California. Like, subscribe, and click that notification bell every time you make a new video. We're gonna make more videos about California, but for now, this is the video. Bye! Like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to get updated every time I post a new video. Bye!